Evaluating wireless networking hardware. In this video, I'll be doing a brief overview and discussion on evaluating wireless networking hardware. The 802.11 standards, published by the Institute of Electrical and Electronic Engineers, dictate the frequencies, transmission speeds, and ranges of wireless networking products. Most of the wireless networking hardware now available supports the 802.11b and 802.11g standards. There are also many 802.11n products on the market, some of which are based on the draft standard, while others are certified as conforming to the ratified standard published in late 2009. More information. IEEE 802.11n equipment increases wireless networking speeds by using multiple transmitter and receiver antennas on each device in a process called multiple input, multiple output. For example, a device using a 2x2 MIMO format has 2 transmitters and 2 receivers, operating at different frequencies. The sending system splits its data into 2 signals for transmission, and the receiving device reassembles the signals into a single data stream. This process is called spatial multiplexing. The only potential drawback to this arrangement is the depletion of the available frequency bandwidth by having too many devices in proximity to each other. As a general rule, devices supporting the newer, faster standards are capable of falling back to slower speeds when necessary. For example, an 802.11g wireless access point will almost always support computers with 802.11b hardware as well. If you're involved in hardware evaluation or selection, compatibility problems among the basic 802.11 standards are relatively rare. The possibility of purchasing incompatible hardware is likely only if you adopt a proprietary technology. There is, however, another capability factor to consider apart from the IEEE 802.11 standards, and that is the security protocols that the wireless devices support. 2 main security protocols are used in the wireless LAN devices on the market today: Wire Equivalent Privacy, WEP, and Wi-Fi Protected Access, WPA and WPA2. WEP has been around for some time and is supported by virtually all wireless LAN products. WPA and WPA2 are comparatively recent, and some older devices do not support them. Unfortunately, wireless devices cannot fall back from one security protocol to another. You must decide to use WEP or WPA on your network, and all of your devices must support the one you choose. WPA and WPA2 are inherently more secure than WEP, so they are usually preferable. But if the network has any devices that do not support WPA, you must either replace those devices or settle for WEP. That completes this brief overview and discussion on evaluating wireless networking hardware.